My name is Steve. My name is Steve. I am British. I am a teacher. I live in England. You are Ukrainian. Welcome to the United Kingdom. I will try to help you to learn English. The English alphabet is different from Ukrainian and Russian. First, I'm going to say the alphabet in the way that we use the letters for spelling. Many of the sounds change when we use the letters for speaking. It depends how letters are combined with other letters to form words. But we will look at that later. Here is the whole alphabet. There are 26 letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I am going to say the letters as they sound in many words. This is the way we learn the alphabet as children. Repeat after me. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, Q, R, R, sa, T, T, U, W, V, Ya, Z. Okay, thanks. I hope the lesson was useful. Bye for now.